Hey Garden Vibes, it's your girl Chrissy T back here today. What I plan to do is look into this potato sack and see if I've got any potatoes growing. I saw that a couple of the branches died off, my little stems died off, so I'm going to dig down in there and see if I have any fingerlings potatoes. Join me. Okay.
So where are we putting the straw?
These are our fingerling potatoes so far. Just like a handful, really. Well, you guys, that was my first fingerling harvest. I do still have half of that bed left to grow. I did want to let you guys know this was my first time growing in straw, and I noticed the potatoes didn't actually form or grow in the straw. They formed in the 6 inches or so of soil that I put in. So there's that. I did get a nice little handful, so I'll insert a picture of that. And will I grow in strictly straw next year? Probably not for my potatoes. I think so far I'm gonna roll with all soil. So that is our very first potato harvest. Not too bad. Some is better than none. I noticed, I think I pulled up about 3 plants and it gave me that amount of potatoes. So, and again, they are fingerling potatoes, so they were a smaller variety. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in future videos. I am going to get back to a lot of informational videos. Just right now, I wasn't really in that kind of mood, but I hope you're ready because I'm ready. See you in a second. Bye.